How to enable notifications on Alibaba app. Don't want to miss a message from the supplier? This guide shows you how to enable notifications on the Alibaba app so you can stay updated on your orders and messages. First, open the Alibaba app and go to the settings menu. You can find this in the My Alibaba tab. Look for the notifications or the messages settings option. In the notification settings, you'll see a few options. You can enable notifications for messages, orders, and promotions. Just toggle the button next to notification that you want to enable, and you can choose the type of notification that you want to receive, just like this. Enabling notification is very important for staying updated on your orders and messages. It will also help you respond to suppliers faster, which can help you get a better price and a faster delivery. So make sure you enable notifications and stay updated. You now know how to enable notifications on the Alibaba app. Get ready to stay updated. Like and subscribe for more business tips.